Welcome back to my channel. Look, so it's Chamatkari Baba, and today I will show you the Pokemon Go hack. As you can see, all of the Pokestops are filled with the glorious viewer module. As you can see, all of the Pokestops, not a single one is left. Means there are a lot of players playing in the Pier 39. And see how much Pokemon came here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Zyducks in one Pokestop. Hey guys, I'm going to show you I've just got legendary Pokemon. Suicune, Omster, all are legendary. If you get a network problem like this, then just go here. Fake GPS free, download it guys. I'll show you full how to hack. Locations, job location, engage, wait 2 seconds and just go on here. Now it will be oh sorry. Yes, here. It's gone now, the Pokemon will appear. Just all the way back. And see how much Pokestops are there. I'm telling you how to use it, how to use the fake GPS free. The search is in the Play Store. I have a low network because it's in my country. It's at like going to be evening, and in my country when there's evening, there are lot of players, means lot of members or people using mobile data. So I am just showing you how to hack. See, go first. It will go to settings, no root mode, and update interval. There will be 1000. You have to do 500. Okay. Let's go back here, and I will just search on here Pier 39. Now as you can see, my location is here right now. I will change it to here. Just search it together, because if your network is fast, then it will search in 1 minute. Yes, yeah. Now will automatically come there. Stopped, engaged, wait 2 seconds. Yes, go here. As you saw guys, now came to Pier 39. The exact location of Pier 39. I just collected lot of Pokeballs from all of there. As you can see, I removed also too much. 41 and 52 great balls. 41 Pokeballs. Got a lot of things here, and I've done a lot. Wait, 351 items. How expensive? The fairy and Goldeen. Guys, the channel is growing too fast, as I have got above 300 views in just one day. Oops. All this, what's this? I've got Suicune from, because in this area Suicune is always a legendary. Means you will always find Suicune in a legendary egg. Parrot. I don't want parrot. There's a lot of Pokestops. And if you don't know that you can spin the photo disc of gym also. See, these both Pokeballs are of bonus because I'm in Moltres League. I'm a team member of Moltres. show you my Pokemons after hack and before hack. I got at least I just did hack I think 2-3 days ago. And Jugadu, because of you I've got this hack. But I know this hack, but I don't know that I've never changed settings. What you tell to do 5,000 to 500. I've tried. See, I've been time. I will tell you when I've caught my last Pokemon without hack. A lot of time ago. Wait. Let's dive. Till Ghastly. Here, it is my last Pokemon I can show you. See, it's Delhi, India. And after this, see, San Francisco, California, United States. All of the Pokemons are of San Francisco. Suke, Ninetales, Jinx. And I just want to show you, first of all, as you told, there is no Pokemon hack for Android. As you can see, it's a War Buffet with a lipstick. What's the fullest thing? I just saw it. You can see it's a lipstick one. War Buffet. W-O-B. So I'm going to show you my Pokédex. There is no War Buffet. Sorry, he's a War Buffet, but it don't have a lipstick on his mouth. And there's no evolution that it's become a girl. I'm so impressed that I caught a girl Boba Fett. Guys, thanks for watching. I've told you how to use this hack. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See how much Pokestops are there filled with these lure modules. See, as my net worked automatically. Dratini, wow. As my net worked, I automatically got that network problem off. The net was slow, I am telling you. And you will find raid at any time, but only in morning. I've got Suken in this network problem only. It's so hard. But network in just I'm not recording, sorry. I'm not a recorder for that Suken catching. I've just in one at last Pokeball I've thrown it's excellent, and automatically it's without moving the Pokeball 3 times, one time this time, and one time this, and one time this. Without being there in just one catch, only one ball. He have not done like this or like this. It directly catched. That's why I love Suken. Its attack is so low, so much low. 12 and 45. Ninetale is good. Sack is too powerful. 180 and 10. Fire type also do solar beam? I don't think so. So guys, thanks for watching. If this is electric dragon, it's a network problem. First, I've just told you how to survive this network problem. You have a good net, then it will not become. See, engage, wait 2 seconds, or if you click directly on the Pokemon Go, network problem 12 will come. Yes, just go, spin it. Sorry, my bag is full. Just thanks for watching, stay tuned. And this is Electric Dragon in Hindi version. If you want it, then please subscribe to my channel. I will give this in Hindi version also.